All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, Metafootball Token. Yep, for all the football fans out there, this could be the thing that replaces, I don't know if I want to use the word replace, but could replace fantasy football. Because for fantasy football, you play, and next year you got to draft a new team. These guys are saying that you get to own your team, you really own your team, all kinds of good stuff. So this is the crypto version of fantasy football. This could be bigger than fantasy football. We will see. Bringing it here from Frank's Crypto Corner. We're also going to be talking about the top 5 meme coins. What are the top 5 right this second? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goals on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and of course, one day own some cryptocurrency. For all my football fans out there, this could be your way to play fantasy football. I think it's going to be very similar, but you're earning NFTs and this and that. Well, let's go ahead and dig over to Metafootball Token. Right here on the website, Metafootball Token. It's actually up 26% in the last 7 days. It's up 15% in the last 24 hours. It's got the 8 zeros. Clicking it. Up here, 15%, 8 zeros and a 79.26. Take a look over here. What it's been doing over the last week or so. Reading it to you. For you that have never heard of it, Metafootball will be one of the most comprehensive football management games ever created. So far, that sounds pretty good. Designed as a play-to-earn game for everyone who loves football and wants to earn tokens, reflections, and NFTs by managing their own football team. All right, now you guys knew I was at the Steelers-Browns game yesterday, so this is actually, could be, and I'm actually in a couple fantasy football leagues, so I'll end up taking 3rd in one and 4th in another this year, so this could be good. Metafootball provides an advantage over traditional fantasy football leagues in that you are compensated in real money for your efforts because you own the cards you collect, win, trade. In previous fantasy football games, you don't own any players, so all you get is the time to possibly beat thousands of players who enter. But in meta football, you can collect cards, players that are given complete ownership for the rest of your life. So far, this is sounding pretty good. Now think about this, fantasy football. Everybody's on their NFL.com. They're setting their lineups, and everybody's on, whatever platform they're using. And guess what? They're trading this or trading that. They win the game, and all of a sudden they win the NFT. And I mean, it's just going to be pretty cool. If you like fantasy football, put it down in the bottom. If you like digital fantasy football, put it down in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. All right, let's head back over and learn a little bit more here. All right, over here at the Twitter account, Metafootball will be one of the most comprehensive football games, managed games ever created. Play to earn. Everyone who loves football. So look what it says here. Number 1, we are on number 1. They're trending on number 1 on coinmarketcap. Number 1 right now. Where can you get this token? PancakeSwap. So take a look right here. They're trending number 1. Jumping over here, take a look over here and trending on the top left. Right here, Metafootball. The number 1 trending cryptocurrency right this second. So on their Twitter, they're talking about it right here. That right here, we are trending number 1 on CoinMarketCap. So good job there. There it is again, Metafootball, number 1. It says remember to join our Telegram and our Discord to get updates. This is pretty interesting too. They already got 10,000 holders. We are thrilled to have reached 10,000 holders in only 11 days of existence. This is new, everybody. Our journey continues. I mean, once all the people that play fantasy football get a hold of this thing, this 10,000 holders, I mean, it's going to be silly in a minute maybe. And over here, they were excited on January 1st that they were the number 2 on CoinMarketCap. So right here, they were number 2, but now they've actually been listed to number 1. All right, checking this out. Can Metafootball, MFT, make money from fantasy cards market, Madhouse? Well, it shows the interest in fantasy football, NFTs, and blockchains gaming is enormous. For instance, CoinMarketCap named Metafootball the most trending cryptocurrency on the 31st of December. So Metafootball, this is about 11 or 12 days old. They call Metafootball one of the most comprehensive football game managements ever created. In detail, Metafootball is a play-to-earn game that lets players earn tokens, reflections, and non-fungible tokens and manage a virtual team. So, yep, yesterday I was at the game. So if we were at the game, we would be managing NFTs and stuff. Pretty cool. Is that in contrast to fantasy football leagues, they claim Metafootball pays players real money. In addition, Metafootball managers will own their players and get the rights to sell the players for NFT. To explain, some Metafootball players can collect and sell players like baseball cards. So pretty exciting stuff, everybody. In Metafootball, people play as managers of multiplayers. Community-driven teams, managers can select players' styles, additions. Players can choose participation in Metafootball as managers, agents, club owners, stock traders, speculators, or a combination of the roles. Plus, Metafootball is a blockchain metaverse game built as stimulation of the real football world, soccer to Americans in Canada. They describe Metafootball as a dynamic universe recreation of real-life football players and franchise. They will put 6% of the transactions in an incentive wallet. Metafootball will put 3% of the transactions into a locked liquidity pool. And Binance, BNB, and PancakeSwap. They hope they will create an ever-rising price floor. How Metafootball can make money? They will distribute 2% of the Metafootball transactions to token holders as reflection. In addition, they will put 2% of the transactions in the buyback wallets to protect Metafootball from whales or larger bettors. All right, so even though I like the football, this could be more of a soccer play, even though football is actually kind of like the soccer of the whole entire world and stuff like that. So either way, I think it's pretty cool. The Metafootball today. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Will you participate in Metafootball? Will you trade the token? Will you look into it? Could be something pretty interesting. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, we're going to go to 5 meme coins that are really doing good right now. Let's check out these 5. Here we go, top 5 meme coins. By taking a look at that, you see the Dogecoin, you see the Shiba Inu, you see the Dogecoin Mars. So here are the top 5. We got Dogecoin, we got Shiba Inu, we got SafeMoon, Dogecoin Mars, Elon, and Kusha Inu. Dogecoin is at number 1, taking a look. Shiba Inu is number 2. Shiba, the second largest meme currency on the list of self-proclaimed Doge killers. So yeah, Shiba's number 2. SafeMoon, let's take a look at SafeMoon. I definitely like my SafeMoon. In March of 2021, SafeMoon was released safely to the moon, inspired by the common expression to the moon, which means swiftly grow in value. All right, SafeMoon is at number 3. Dogecoin Mars is at number 4. So Dogecoin Mars and Kisha Inu is at number 5. So these are your top 5 meme tokens, everybody. And I like this little playing deck here. We got the Dogecoin, the Dogecoin Mars, and the Shiba right there. All right, heading back over here to Metafootball. What's our price prediction? There's 8 zeros. This one's an easy. It's going to crush one of the zeros. One of the zeros will go away here. I don't know, in the next week to month or so. All our information is for educational purposes only. This thing's trending number 1 on CoinMarketCap. It's not going to slow down in the next week or so. But 8 zeros, easily one of them can be gone. So right here, Metafootball, 3,013, up 26% in the last 7 days. All right, so give us your thoughts. Fantasy football they're talking about. It looks like a soccer ball, but they're talking about fantasy football. So I don't know if it's the same or not the same, but they are trying to basically capture that fantasy football market with NFTs and blockchains and all kinds of good stuff. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, thanks for checking everything out. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon. Bonus videos around 5 and 8 o'clock. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.